plus we also have a dance-off for 18-25.
18 to 25.
We have 3, we need to select 2. So we go on for the 26 plus.
Yes.
Dance-off.
And how many are we picking?
We are picking...
Choosing, sorry.
Good question. 1.
One girl from the 3 in the dance-off.
Yes.
Want to bring them on stage? Mike? 116. 105. 100. We're going to be selecting one of these dancers that's going to go 18 to 25 in the demi-final. Okay? Haruku! These girls are going for 1 spot left out of 6 spots to move on to the demi-final. They've been dancing all morning long, from 60 girls all the way down to 18. And they're going for 1 more spot to go to the demi-final.
Donc la sélection va être très dure, Anthony.
C'est sûr.
Donc le jury est en train de calculer.
Ah ouais, je repasse à son place là-bas, jury. Ah non. Okay? Ufa, Uripaho?
No, we are set.
Huh?
We are okay. We are good.
We're good. Thank you, ladies. You may exit to your right.